Alright, good morning guys. So it is March 14th, and if you're not from Northeast United States, you might not be too aware. I'm sure it's on the news, but we are in blizzard conditions today, and where I live, we are in a state of emergency, so we're not even allowed to be on the road. So it is a little after 8 already, because I've been up for a while and we're having a special breakfast. We all knew this was coming, so I actually prepared lots of fun little things to do today, because I don't even know how much we're going to be able to get outside and play today because of how much snow we have and how much work it's going to take to clean everything. We might go for a walk and play tomorrow. I'm not sure. I don't think there'll be school tomorrow either, because then they're expecting drifting and all of that tomorrow. So, yeah. Take you along in this monumental day. They're comparing it to the blizzard of '93, which I remember. My husband, who is younger than me, does not remember much of it, which I think is pretty funny. I'm excited to show you how it goes, and we'll see how much my four remember it. And our puppy is having a hard time with all this snow. We've already got about a foot out there, so and it's not anywhere close to being done, so. I'll tell that kid's house is.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Okay, so there's our swings. If you can see, almost the seats are touching the snow for that one swing. I think the other swing on the left is touching the snow. But then there's our little house, our playhouse. And our playhouse, it looks like the bottom layer is all covered up. So we'll see how far it gets. 8 o'clock.
Because everyone knows. Because everyone likes your teasers.
Everybody likes my teeth.
Everyone hates your teasers.
You want me to go and pick up Ruby and drop Bella off? Here you go, sir.
No, so I can still have
Here's the thing. We might not even have school Wednesday.
No.
Hell, you're the one who was saying you were happy about not being in school.
No.
I'm gonna tell Mrs. Reef. I'm gonna tell Miss Reef and Mrs. D that you don't want to go to school.
I do.
But you were so happy when there was a cancellation before.
I want to.
You were like, yay, no school.
So we got this fun little coloring princess castle that from my Aunt Barb. So I figured your Aunt Barb too. It's a hideout?
Yes, I like a hideout.
You like your hideout? So I figured since we can't go outside yet, we could at least have some fun inside. So just as a comparison, it is 9:30 and Daddy is starting to shovel some because we're expecting more and we don't want our porch to cave in. But it is up to right below his butt. So yeah, we get a lot of snow and he needs a drink. Time to shovel, because we're gonna be getting more. Gotta get ahead of the game. Daddy's up there trying to do the top of the road. There's our van, or what you can find of it.
Just raising a crate.
Yep, raising a crate.
how much the snow goes.
I see.
It's a lot of snow.
I know. Good job, Ada. Oh yeah. Climb in. Why are you crying? What? We'll probably come in a minute here. Where's your glove? Now we have some hot tomato soup and some yummy grilled cheese. I think these kids are ready for a nap after lunch. They played hard. And still frozen.
It's all done.
Okay. All right, Kaden, go ahead and squeeze that green in. Green for St. Patty's Day. Nope, that's still just food coloring. Squeeze fast, 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 fast.
Is it squeezing the whole thing?
Yep, you can put the whole tube in. All right, Bella, dump our sweetened the whole thing.
What is that, Pop?
You're missing one part back here, Bill. Right back here.
William, please don't. I've got the bowls over there waiting for us.
That looks good.
Do you even know what you're saying, Ada? Liam! Liam!
What are you doing?
He was about to eat it.
About to eat it from the spoon? Liam, dude.
But that's yummy.
How do you know?
Go ahead, take the sprinkles off and you can put some in.
Bella, can I put sprinkles in?
How about this? I'll put it down for you. And now you can put it.
Put some sprinkles in. No, use your fingers. Look. Get your fingers and go.
Can I try sprinkling it?
It's like porridge.
Can I sprinkle it?
Okay. Now everybody else gets to do theirs, okay? There's your spoon. What do you think?
What do you say to Mom, guys?
All right, Ada, pass them along.
Are you gonna have it?
Maybe.
We can eat it?
Yeah.
Wait, you're gonna put some? Yes.
Is it yummy?
Do you want some?
What did he say?
It's cold, huh?
Yeah, but it's a cabbage.
No.
My tongue.
Oh yeah, it's green.
I'm an alien.
What do you think? Kaden, is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think, is it good, Bella?
Gotta go downstairs.
I'm not gonna.
To do all the work.
Hey, Liam.
Daddy wants to do.
Hey, Liam. Let me see your beautiful green face. You like the snow cream?
And then put some in
Oh, so if you only take a little bite, it doesn't make you cold anymore?
No.
Oh, that's good.
Like it is.
Like it did before.
Maybe it looks like you have a mustache change your off.
Look at me.
I can look at mustache. The guys Trey had to go out and go like this. Okay? No, you're not.
It's now post nap time, and they're still working on this after being outside and having lunch and everything. They are still working on this. Good job on the roof, Adabug.
I'm the guard.
You're the guard?
For me.
Okay, so you remember how I was showing you that house before? That is completely covered up, like up the first level. And then our swing ended up being completely covered. And then our swing ended up getting covered up on the left, and it's up to the second swing there that they are now trying to kick away to swing through.
Hey!
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Bella, and Kaden, Liam, let's have dinner. Who wants some bacon?
It's not only bacon. It's not only
Come over to your seat.
bacon. Should I pick a shoe?
Yep, pick any plate.
Ew. Hey, Liam.
Hold on.
Wait, where is it snow?
Where is his nose?
Who knows? No,
Good
Christopher.
idea. Good idea.
Kaden, go to your seat, honey.
It's a snowman.
You like it? Is that fun?
Oh yeah, it's a snowman.
Oh, really, Kaden? Wow, you're really late to the game.
Not right now. You can just look at it for an hour.
Is that yummy? You guys excited?
I want to eat it right now.
What do you think, Kaden? Do you like it?
When are we eating it?
Right now.
Okay.
We gotta get some forks.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. You better not break our thing. So how far of a drop do you think that was? No, it was not. Okay, you have to go that way though, not down the slide. That won't work. Okay, what are you going, face first? Don't go face first, turn around. Oh, okay, well Ada, move out of the way. Oh, come over by me. Why not? That would be fun.
No way.
Hold on.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm videoing. Go ahead.
Hi, Justin. Hi, Rachel.
Alright, ready, go!
African, I'm gonna try to do that. Sorry.
Lame. Watch out, Liam or Kaden. Go ahead, Belle. Your turn. Oh God.
No, let me try it.
Y'all are lame.